Hey everyone, welcome to Hunters Connect. Today, we're going to tackle practical approaches to gear. As a new hunter, I'm sure you have a lot of considerations running through your head, the least of which should be spending a ton of money on expensive gear. Looking at gear in a practical and objective way will help whether you are a new hunter just beginning your search for your first few pieces of gear, or if you're an experienced hunter looking to save a few bucks. 3 things to consider are determining your wants versus your needs, a few gear items that I believe to be essential, and how you can save some money when purchasing hunting gear. As a new hunter, the most important thing when starting off is to just get out there and do it. This is going to help you understand what gear you actually need versus what gear is just nice to have. While having the latest gear can make you feel cool, choosing gear that serves a specific purpose will help you choose what you need before you head out into the field. Remember, having the latest matching gear doesn't make you a better hunter. Don't let a specific gear item that you don't have yet keep you from taking the field. Each hunter is going to have different needs when it comes to gear. The type of hunting you do will play a large role in what your needs are. For example, a hunter out west hunting open country is going to want a good pair of boots that are suitable for hiking lots of miles, while a turkey hunter in the Midwest or East might need a reliable pair of rubber boots. If you're just starting out and are unsure of what pieces of gear are essential, here are a few staples in any hunter's arsenal. First, find comfortable boots. Our feet play a large role in what we do, and at the end of the day, the majority of our hunting takes place on our feet. Boots come in all sorts of styles, stiffnesses, and are designed for different purposes. Generally speaking, steep and rocky country is going to call for a stiffer boot, while more gradual terrain is ideal for a boot that is more flexible. But in the end, it all comes down to personal preference. After you spend some time in the field, you'll start to understand better what type of boot is going to best fit your needs. The next staple is a backpack. Each time we venture out into the field with a tag in our pocket, the goal is to be headed home with an animal at the end of the day. When you find success, it's important to be ready to field dress that animal quickly and have a plan for getting that meat back to your vehicle. Out west, it's incredibly valuable to have a pack that will allow you to quarter an animal and carry out those quarters on your back. In other parts of the country, a backpack will allow you to keep your hunting supplies, food, water, tags, and other gear organized and easily accessible. Understanding where you'll be hunting and how you plan to get your animal out of the field will help you decide which pack is best for you. The next gear consideration is what type of clothing you wear when you go out on the hunt. Having reliable rain gear and insulation layers will allow you to remain safe and comfortable in a variety of conditions, especially when the weather becomes dangerous. The foundation of any hunting clothing system is a base layer that will wick moisture away from your skin, an insulation layer that will keep you warm when you're not moving, and an outer layer that will repel water and keep the wind from cutting through. So now, let's talk about our budget and budgeting for hunting gear. Used gear can be a great way to get started with higher quality gear without feeling the pain in your wallet. Secondhand stores and online web stores that specialize in used goods are 2 great places to find new gear at a lower cost. Another place to find used gear at a great price are on buy-sell trade sites on social media or web forums. Many hunters love gear and are looking to offload some gear and trade up for the new stuff or get rid of gear they no longer need. These sites and forums are great places to find that gear. I hope some of these suggestions and tips were helpful and help you begin to acquire the gear that you have on your list. Remember, it takes time to build up a large arsenal of equipment, so don't rush it. Get out there and figure out what you actually need and what is going to help you get out there more often. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. We'd be happy to answer. Thanks for watching Hunters Connect.